How to use S Pen double tap shortcut to access any app on a screen on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, remove the S Pen on your device. Open the App Store. Tap on a Galaxy Store. Now search the Good Lock and install it on your device. When you install, tap on it. Now tap on Open from the bottom right side. Now tap on a Makeup at the bottom middle. Scroll down. Now install the Pentastic to customize your S Pen setting like air command style, S Pen pointer, S Pen sound. When install, tap on it. Now at the bottom you can see double tap shortcut option. It will helpful to quickly access any app using S Pen. Now tap on double tap shortcut. Now toggle on it. Now select the application you want to access using S Pen double tap shortcut. Here we select the calculator. Now go to any screen and long press the S Pen button and double tap to access the application you want to use on your device. So quite a useful feature. Again, go to Good Lock setting, tap on a double tap shortcut, select any app. Here we select Google Chrome. Now go to home screen, open any screen and long press it and double tap to access the application on your Samsung S23 Ultra device. That's it. If you like it, share it.